Asus revealed today the latest ZenFone 7. They improved the flip-up camera mechanism and adding a telephoto cam. This phone uses a 6.67 inches AMOLED display with a 90Hz refresh rate, together with Gorilla Glass 6. The main camera features a 64MP Sony IMX686 Sensor with 2x10cl autofocus that can record 8K videos at 30 fps or slow motion 4K at 120 fps. They also upgrade the charging that can use 30 watts fast charging for 5000 mAh battery that lets you charge 60% for 34 minutes.